Here is China's Agibbot factory in Shanghai, where the mass production of humanoid robots has already reached a new industrial scale. It is here that one of China's leading robotics companies demonstrates how human-like machines are moving from the status of experimental prototypes to full-scale serial production. The Agibbot factory is organized as a high-tech assembly line. Dozens of identical robot bodies are lined up in rows, and each stage, from installing actuators and sensors to calibrating balance systems, undergoes strict quality control. Production includes assembling mechanical units, integrating servo drives, installing computer vision modules, and fine-tuning motion algorithms. The robots are tested for stability, step accuracy, and proper manipulator performance. According to the company, the facility has already produced thousands of humanoid robots. Unlike single demonstration models, this is about serial batches designed for deployment in logistics, industry, and the service sector. And it appears that China is seriously aiming to secure a leading position in the global race for humanoid robotics. Here is the K1 Smart AI Gym, an innovative smart gym system that combines powerful AI technology, digital resistance, and a personal trainer right in your home. This is not just a premium fitness gadget, but a fully interactive training station capable of replacing standard heavy equipment and even a trainer thanks to built-in artificial intelligence and motion analysis technology. K1 is equipped with a vertical 43-inch 4K touchscreen display with immersive sound, showing a virtual trainer, lessons, instructions, and real-time feedback. The AI system analyzes exercise technique in real time, corrects mistakes, adapts workouts to the user's level, and offers personalized plans based on movement, form, and goals. The K1's digital resistance reaches approximately 100 kilograms and can be adjusted in increments of about 0.5 kilograms, allowing for very precise load selection and gradual progression, from light exercises to full-strength training with squats, presses, and rows. Here are the hyper-realistic Robotics robots, humanoids named Aria and David, which became some of the most talked-about tech exhibits at CES 2026. David is the male humanoid model designed as a business professional. He features a computer vision system, microphones for speech recognition, and a built-in AI platform that analyzes conversation context and generates meaningful responses in real time. His design includes a motorized neck, movable shoulder and elbow joints, and lip-speech synchronization. David's key feature is the ability to hold coherent dialogues in multiple languages, demonstrating natural pauses, reactions to conversational cues, and basic nonverbal signals. The female model, Aria, attracts particular attention for her even more detailed appearance. Silicone skin with pore-like texture, realistic facial expressions enabled by multiple micro-actuators in the face, and synchronized movement of lips, cheeks, and eyebrows during speech. Her eyes include gaze-tracking technology, creating the effect of live eye contact. During demonstrations, Aria not only answered questions, but also displayed emotional nuances, subtle smiles, micro-head movements, and changes in facial expression depending on the topic of conversation. Developers at RAI Institute built a dynamic robot capable of throwing, catching, and hitting a baseball at speeds close to human performance. In demonstrations, the robot plays catch both with other machines and with humans, showcasing a high level of coordination, precision, and reaction speed. During testing, the robot can pitch the ball at around 112 kilometers per hour and successfully catch throws traveling up to 66 kilometers per hour. It can also hit balls at short distances, reacting in fractions of a second. All of this happens in real time. The system tracks the ball's trajectory, calculates the interception point, and synchronizes the hand movement with maximum accuracy. In 2026, robotics is accelerating faster than ever. Humanoid machines no longer just walk around exhibitions. They learn, adapt, and master increasingly complex real-world scenarios. Part of this rapid development is a new humanoid robot from Skilled AI. The company is building a so-called foundation model for robotics, a universal AI system that allows the robot to learn multiple tasks and transfer skills between them. This means the machine can acquire new actions faster and without deep manual reprogramming for each scenario. In demonstrations, the robot shows confident walking, object manipulation, and work in an office environment. Separate videos with parkour elements highlight its stability and coordination when overcoming obstacles, emphasizing its ability to operate in dynamic environments. By equipping robots with universal AI and the ability to quickly learn new skills, developers are moving closer to a scenario where machines handle more physical and routine tasks, freeing humans from repetitive work. Meet the Apple AI Pin, a new wearable AI gadget developed by Apple that could become a key part of the company's future personal AI strategy. This product is still in the early stages of development and is not yet a finished device, but its concept is already widely discussed in the industry as a potential next era after smartphones. According to sources, the Apple AI Pin will be a compact, round wearable device roughly the size of an AirTag, made of aluminum and glass, with 2 built-in cameras, 3 microphones, and a speaker for capturing the environment and enabling voice interaction. The device may also include a physical button and support magnetic wireless charging, similar to the Apple Watch. The main idea of the AI Pin is to provide hands-free access to AI functions and Siri without constantly needing to take out a smartphone. A new police robot for traffic control has been deployed in Zhejiang Province, China. The robot inspector began service at busy city intersections and has started performing traffic management duties, directing vehicle and pedestrian flows using built-in artificial intelligence algorithms. The robot is equipped with a computer vision system and sensors that allow it to analyze road conditions in real time, detecting vehicle movements, recording violations, monitoring pedestrian behavior, and adjusting signals based on traffic density. It can issue commands through gestures, light indicators, and voice notifications, helping coordinate movement during peak hours. Visually, the device is designed as a humanoid inspector wearing a reflective vest, making it intuitive for drivers and pedestrians. The anthropomorphic design is intentional, as people respond more quickly to gestures and signals coming from a human-like figure. Freight transport in the 21st century requires more autonomous, long-range, and resilient solutions, which is why heavy drones are rapidly developing. One notable player in this field is Exer Technologies, which developed the multi-purpose Exer X8 platform, an industrial drone with a hybrid power system designed for serious tasks outside the laboratory. The Exer X8 can stay in the air for up to 2.5 hours and carry a payload of up to 7 kilograms, significantly exceeding the capabilities of standard commercial quadcopters. The hybrid power system combines fuel and electricity, providing extended flight range and stable operation even in adverse weather conditions. These drones are used for inspecting power lines, pipelines, construction sites, as well as in search and rescue operations and environmental monitoring. Write in the comments what you like the most after watching this video. Subscribe to the Karo Show channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Bye for now.